Hi guys, good evening everyone. So today is day 15, right? And here are the tips for day 15 on system design. And today, I believe that in some earlier video, I might be partially mentioned somewhere, even though today I will go some in detail on that area, all right? So in system design, when you actually working on real world projects, the one key aspect of system design is fault tolerance. Why it is important? Because as many good people is saying that no system is failure proof. Every system is bound to fail. That's the one statement which is true every time. Every system, whether it is the greatest system, biggest system, or smartest system, doesn't matter. Every system failed. And that's why as an architect or as a innovator of that system, it is always beneficial to plan for failure also. What do you mean by plan by failure? Meaning it that you should always plan graceful handling for failure of your system. Right? Okay, let's start the topic then. So always design with fault tolerance in mind. One of the critical aspects of system design is ensuring that your system can handle failure gracefully. Right? In a real world scenario, you have seen that servers are crashes, network fail, and resource become unavailable. So during an interview, demonstrate that you have thought about fault tolerance from the start by implementing strategies like replication. All right, ensure redundancy by replicating data or services across different nodes or regions to avoid a single point of failure. I must be aware that there is a always mitigation plans should be for single point of failure. Right? The next point is graceful degradation. Design your system so that if one service fails, other parts can continue to function with reduced capabilities. Right? As you know, that is when you are working on distributed system, you're always aware of it that some part of the system may fail, right? But it doesn't mean that your complete system will collapse. Some part may fail for some time, that server is not available, you might have sometimes your performance degraded a little bit. But once your system will identify this degradation, they will start the strategy of planning for recovery or improving the performance. That's it. So this kind of thought is definitely a part of your system design. Third, which is conceptually called as a circuit breaker, and it is an architecture design pattern in cloud world. Right? Cloud world, you said it, or maybe you can say that it is started from distributed microservice concept. Right? When microservice comes, at that time this architecture design pattern comes into the play. Right? So this circuit breaker pattern is used to prevent cascading failure and to temporarily block requests to failing components, allowing the system to recover. Let me repeat again. Use circuit breaker pattern to prevent cascading failure and to temporarily block requests to failing components, allowing the system to recover. Right? All right. Let's move on. So when discussing your design, this is conclusion remark from my side. When discussing your design, emphasize how these measures ensure high availability and reliability even when under failure scenario. Be ready to explain how these strategies impact performance and cost, and why you have chosen certain trade-offs based on the system requirement. So by this saying, I'm just wrapping this video here only. But at the last also, I would like to mention that please discuss properly the mitigation plan for system failure, because every system, even in the greatest system of the world, bound to fail. And that's why there is no guarantee. There is no guarantee that if you don't handle it properly, your system will work. All right. So that's why please plan for system failure in your design discussion. I hope you can understand the criticality of this concept, and I am 100% sure that if you discuss these kind of things in your system design, probably it will give a very good or positive mark in your interviewer mind, and it will help you to get the final success in your design. I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care, guys.